All right, we're gonna hug, man.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna keep everything
tight,
just like that. Yeah. Good. All right, relax your shoulders first. Good. Now let your whole body just bend backwards. There you go. Keep breathing though. You can feel that. Oh, we're gonna give you a minute.
Oh my God. Baby, you would step on my back, but it wasn't nothing like that. I love you, but it wasn't nothing like that. Oh my gosh.
It sounded like you released some demons out of that back.
I'm telling you.
Man.
Yes, sir.
Oh
my gosh. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey man, that was it. That was the problem.
Yeah, that was a big one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.